So I'm going to make some chicken fried rice today, but inspired from Thailand. So we've got some lovely bits in there. Lime leaves, lemongrass, galangal, ginger, garlic, chilli. Really, really beautiful. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So what I've got here is 4 cups of cooked rice. I'm using a basmati rice and it's cold. I cooked this yesterday, put it in the fridge. Cold rice just always works out a bit better, I think. 1 onion sliced. I've got 1 decent size chicken breast there, cut into some cubes. No skin, no bone. 3 eggs, tiny amount of celery, tablespoon of garlic, some green onions, scallions or spring onions, whatever you call them. Little bit of lemongrass there, some bell peppers, green cut nice and small. Here I've got some galangal sliced. Now galangal is not ginger, that is ginger. Don't confuse the two. It kind of looks like it, it's very similar. Here I've got some lime leaves or kaffir leaves. Here I've got some fresh red chilli, optional as to how much, if at all, you put in. And then here I've got some soy. I've got a light soy sauce there. There's about 4 tablespoons there. Let's get moving. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, comment and all that stuff, will ya? Okay, so I've got my wok here. The heat is on high. Keep it on high all the way here. Now what I've got here is some oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. You can use a different oil if you want. We're going to start by dropping in the galangal, which I've cut into thin slices. Chop it smaller if you want. The lemongrass, which, as you can see, I've just bashed it. I've kind of cut it and then give it a beating like that. The lime leaf, which I've just cut with my hand, you know, just sort of broken it. Really beautiful, pungent flavour. We're going to go with our garlic. We're going to go with our ginger. We're going to add that little bit of celery now, which I think makes a big difference in there. Then we're going to go with the onion. High heat, 3 minutes, keep it moving. We're well on our way already. Fantastic, just amazing aromas. Let's get some black pepper in there. Let's get some salt. Not too much salt. Now we're going to go for the chicken. In goes our chicken breast. Now you can cut this into strips if you want. I've just cut it into little cubes. And again, 3 or 4 minutes, nice high heat. Keep it moving. Okay, fabulous. Now I'm going to put in that green pepper. I mean, you can use a different colour pepper if you want, or maybe some carrots chopped nice and small, something like that, some other vegetable in there. We're going to add our fresh red chilli. Up to you how much you want to put in. That soy. I'm using the light soy. And we're going to go for another 3 minutes, stirring all the time on this high heat. Really beautiful. We've got all of that lemongrass, the lime leaf, the galangal really pumping out lovely aromas right now. Okay. It's rice time, cold cooked rice, and we're going to go for 4 more minutes on the high heat, keeping it moving. Really, we're nearly there. This is so delicious. So I'm hoping very much you can hear that. That is your rice frying. Fry your rice. We're not making a rice salad here. Good 4 to 5 minutes on a really high heat. Okay, that's done. What I'm going to do is get that off the stove, get a little frying pan here. Okay, so I've got a little tiny frying pan here, a little bit of oil in there. I've got 3 eggs that I've beaten, in that goes. I'm also going to add, which I like to do, some fish sauce. Now don't go crazy with fish sauce because it's very, very salty indeed. We're going to scramble this up and then we're going to go back into the rice with it. So we're back now. Heat is still on. In goes our egg with that little bit of fish sauce. We're going to give that a mix, and this beautiful Thai inspired chicken fried rice is ready to serve. Only one more thing to do, and that is get in a nice handful of chopped green onions. Beautiful. I'll see you at the table. Okay, and there you go. Beautiful, beautiful chicken fried rice, Thai inspired. I love that one. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, all that good stuff. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well, thanks for getting to the end of the video. Now, look, I just want to tell you about this other channel that I've got. It's called Simon Bellyful. It's me basically going out different places in the world where I get opportunity to go to. I'm eating, seeing people, meeting people, seeing what's happening around there. So if you're into that sort of thing, have a little look at it. See you later.